Hello and welcome to SULKNATIONtv. In this episode, I'm losing my voice, but it's simple because all I'm going to do is debadge the CL9. And to help me do this, I have some AUTOGLYM, or AUTOGLYM, however you want to say it, Intense Tar Remover. Now, I've heard a lot of good things about this. Is it incredible? Is it overrated? Well, let's find out. So, the Accord Type S has been baking in the sun all day. It's been really hot today. And yeah, that's gonna go. That's on the move. Now, I know that I sound a bit like the actor who plays Guy of Gisborne in Robin Hood, Prince of Thieves, crossed with the Kurgan from Highlander. But maybe that's my aim. Maybe that's what I want to be. I mean, you know, you've got to love your heroes. Apart from the AUTOGLYM or AUTOGLYM Intense Tar Remover, what else do I need? Well, I need some dental floss, some Oral-B Essential floss apparently, the wife bought it for me, and a microfiber cloth. Now, I've got a semi-dirty one, but I'm washing the car tomorrow. Does it matter? No, so let's crack on. And there we go. It's all come off, which is great. And I feel like going, why a spoon, cousin? And what's the other classic one? Robin of the Hood, your father died squealing like a stuck pig. But ignoring that little interlude, I've got the residue. Ignore this white marking, that's all gonna come off, that's fine. It is gonna be relatively easy to do. And yeah, let's read the instructions. Apply directly to tar spots using a clean cotton cloth. Sorted. Tar spots will dissolve and begin to run. Allow 1 to 2 minutes contact time and wipe off or wash off. Heavy deposits of wax, oil, fuel stains or adhesive residues may require gentle rubbing. That sounds fine, doesn't it? That sounds absolutely fine. So let's crack on. Does AUTOGLYM Intensive Tar Remover work? Well, yes. There is no more residue on my car. Now I need to buff out, you know, where the paint's a little bit faded around where the badge was. But yeah, this stuff is very good. It didn't take very long. There's a little bit of elbow grease, sorted, done. And now my car is debadged. So I hope you've enjoyed this episode of SULKNATIONtv and my product review alongside actually debadging the car. And yeah, you know, find me on Facebook, SULKNATIONtv, Instagram, Project Sulk. And until the next time, I've been me, you've been you, and well done for that.